Good morning, everyone. It is May 30th, 2021. It's the Memorial Day weekend, and I have a few hours this morning to try and catch some fish. I know it's been a while since I posted something up, but it's been a struggle. I have been out, haven't been skunked, but just haven't had a day that was worthy enough to make a video. So hopefully today changes all that. It's a beautiful morning, overcast skies. It's a little bit cool. It's only 55 degrees right now, and it's not supposed to get any warmer than 60 degrees. So stick around and we'll see what happens. Alright, so I got into this protective little cove, little bay area here, and it's either the post spawn or the fish haven't spawned yet. The water's at about 64 degrees right now, but I came up upon this little cove and there's all these beds, but they're all empty. So don't know if the fish have already spawned and moved back out into a little bit of deeper water, or the fish haven't come in yet. There's obviously no fish around this cove here. You can see all the beds. The beds are like all in here. There's hundreds and hundreds of beds, but there's not a single fish in it. So I don't know, maybe I'll have to go search a little bit out in deeper water for the fish. There's a fish. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Top water action. First fish of the morning. And it's a nice largie. Ah. Maybe a pounder. Half a pounder. On the frog. Oh yeah. Thanks for playing this morning. Nice little bass. Alright. This looks like a jackpot spot. If I can't find fish here, I don't know where else the fish are gonna be. There's a fish. Got him. Ah, pike. A pike. Almost broke my line. Little pike. Hit it pretty hard though. Better retie because he chewed up my line. That. Alright, made it to this little lily pad flat back here, and it's kind of covered from the wind. So switched back over to the frog. Let's go. Come on. I'm just gonna fan cast this area. There's a fish. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, nice fish. Oh yeah, about a 2-pounder. Oh yeah. Oh, nice. Nice. Nice, about a 1.5, 2-pounder. On the frog. Right out of there. Nice bass. That was pretty fun. Thank you. That was awesome. Cut it off of this frog. So we're gonna give it another go. And when you're fishing these little back bays here, the fish could be anywhere. So you just fan cast all across the real estate that's in front of you, and hopefully you'll swim your lure by a fish, or you'll catch its attention. There's another one. Oh, he got off. Oh, look at that. Bit off the tail, or the feet. And you got to remember to give it a little pause, because the bass will swallow it. They're going to take it down, and then you set the hook. I know when I first started frog fishing, I got way too excited. As soon as you hear the explosion, you yank your lure right out of their mouth. So there's a bird that was behind me. Oh, this is a nice fish. Nice fish. Oh yeah. Bro. Nice. Nice bass. Look. Oh yeah. Gotta be at least a 3-pounder right here. He's barely hooked. Yes. Whoa, bro. Look, he's barely hooked. Oh, I looked behind me because there's a freaking splash. Look at that. Oh, this guy's got to be at least 3 pounds right here. At least. At least 3 pounds. All right. Quick wait. Quick wait. $2.10. $2.10. That was awesome. Thank you. 2-pounder bass. Here we go. Release. Thank you. There she goes. Looks like I'm on a little frog bite here. In this little back. I'm trying to talk here, guys. Those cranes are super noisy. Alright, starting to sprinkle a little bit, which should help with the fishing. Top waters. Oh, like that. Top water's so fun. See that one, I jumped the gun. Set the hook too quick. It missed also, but there we go. Oh, he took it this time. Oh, nice bass. Oh yeah, stay down. Oh, nice. Oh, come on, get into the kayak. Another 2-3 pounder. Yes. Another 2-pounder on the frog. In the pads. This is so fun. Wish my wife could be out here. She would love this type of fishing. I'm not getting fooled by those birds again. These damn birds keep making a whole bunch of noise. And I looked once and I missed the strike, so this time I'm just looking at my frog. Took my legs, but get him again. See if I can get him again. Dang. There it is. Pike. It was a pike. It was this pike. Pikes. Little pike. Oh, it's a pike. It's a pike. It's a pike. It's a big. Oh. Something looked like a small bass, could be a pike. It's another what is it? Another pike. Looks like this is Pikeville. Wow, these things are aggressive. Usually when there's a lot of pike, there's not too many other fish, but we'll see. These guys are pikes. Pikes. Or is it a bass? Oh, it's a bass. It's a nice bass. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, yeah. Take it back, take it back. There are still some bass up in here. Oh. Nice. Another nice 2-pounder. Another nice 2-pounder in this little back bay. What the hell? Right there. Gotta leave it for a second because they're following it. my gosh. I am having so much fun today. I haven't caught this many bass in a long time. They're not that big, they're only about 2 pounds, but man, they are active on the top water. Look at that. 1.5, 2 pounders, 2.5 pounders, but they are so fun to catch, especially top water. This is probably gonna be it for me today. It's 11 o'clock. I'm gonna slowly start to make my way back. And man, I had a blast today. Overcast, guys. Slight rain here and there, but perfect fishing conditions. So I got out for a few hours and caught a few fish. And I hope you guys get a chance to get out and catch some fish also, and enjoy the great outdoors. I appreciate you guys coming along, and we will see you guys on the next video.